Are you ready? Let us start by comparing a single account income with a 3-account income. To illustrate simply, say after doing the business for several months, meron ka ng 100 people on the left and 100 people on your right. And let's say that's your binary account on top. Now, let's compute magkano na ang total matching bonus na kinita mo base illustration na yan if you have a single binary account. Let us assume na lahat ng yan platinum accounts to simplify our computation. 100 left and 100 right is equal to 100 match BC or points times 1,000 per pair, that is equal to 100,000 accumulated matching bonus. Now, let us say you decided right now na kumuha ng 3 accounts lang muna. Let's see if this 100,000 income will increase. Now you have 3 accounts. Top account, which we will now call U1, still has 100 left and 100 right. Nothing changed. But let's divide this to the 2 additional accounts you have. So let's call this U2. Has 50 left and 50 right. And U3 has also 50 left and 50 right. Total pa rin yan ay 100 left and 100 right. So we did not change the number of people, which means most likely same amount of effort lang yan. Now, let us compute your earnings. U1 has 100 left and 100 right equals 100,000. Same income gaya na computation natin earlier, but this time you have U2 and U3. U2 has 50 left and 50 right. 50 pairs times 1,000 per pair equals 50,000. U3, same, 50 left and 50 right. 50 pairs or 50,000. Total accumulated matching bonus is 200,000 pesos. So yes, your income is doubled with the same number of people and same amount of effort. Now, you're seeing the difference, right? Kitang-kita. 100,000 pesos ba naman ang difference? So this means kapag dumami pa ang tao mo in the long run, say, after years of doing this business, and you have thousands of downlines, na mas lalo pang lalaki yan. E paano naman kung 7 accounts ka? Let us use same number set and see how much you're going to earn. So let us distribute the people like this. Again, for illustration purposes. So dahil nag-add tayo ng 4 accounts below, we will divide the people. So U4, 5, 6, and 7 will have 25 left and 25 right. Kapag tinotal mo yan, 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, that's still a total of 100 left and 100 right. So now, time to reveal how much you will earn from 7 accounts. U1, same income. 100 pairs, so 100,000 pesos. U2, same, 50 left and 50 right. Equals 50 pairs or 50,000 pesos. U3, same, 50 pairs, that's 50,000 pesos. U4, 25 left and 25 right equals 25,000 pesos. U5, same, 25 left and 25 right equals 25,000 pesos. U6, same, 25,000 pesos. And U7, same 25 pairs or 25,000 pesos. Total income mo from the 7 accounts, 300,000 pesos. Wow! Your income tripled with the same number of people with the same amount of effort. Nadagdag sa supposedly 100,000 income mo ay 200,000 pesos dahil lang nag-7 accounts ka. Amazing, right? That's the power of having multiple accounts in binary. That's why binary is the most powerful type of compensation plan sa MLM industry. Now imagine how much you can earn from 15 accounts and lalo na from 31 accounts. Kaya siguro, nagtataka ka why there are some people na ganun karami bumili na accounts because it has multiplier effect. And the experienced binarians would take the risk kasi they know that's the key to really maximize the income potential. It is the way to become one of the millionaires in the industry.